bets are off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Way tonight.
Hello and welcome to the Life Hack Reviews review show. I am James Anthony and today I am going to be reviewing something really exciting. This is the Bose Alto frames. These things right here. Boom! Now these retail for a beautiful $200. So $200 for a pair of sunglasses that will play music till your heart's content. And I am here to ask you whether they're going to fit in with your lifestyle. And that is the biggest question. Will this fit in with your lifestyle and how you listen to music? Now, let's start this in a structured manner. They're $200 and about £200 as well in England. Now, I was in America, I had to get myself a pair of these. And what was the biggest reason I bought these? Well, I love snowboarding. And if you like snowboarding, then I guarantee that these are one of the best buys you will get. Now, might I say, this is both snowboarding in the sunshine and snowboarding in the winter. So, here's my argument as to why I feel these are one of the best little inventions this year if you're a snowboarder. And then we'll go into, if you're not a snowboarder, I hate snowboarding, I hate skiing, then whether this will fit in with your lifestyle as well. But the problem with boarding is that you have a helmet on. If you wear earplugs, they're always coming out of your ears or slowly working their way out. You can't get inside your head, your helmet to actually alter them and get them back in place again. Then you have to go inside your jacket to get your phone out to press the play button. This eliminates all of those problems. It is fantastic. So I went snowboarding. I had goggles that I checked would fit over them. So when it was a bad day, I would put the goggles over the glasses. When it was a beautiful day, I just take the goggles up, and now I have the most beautiful sunglasses and sound system while going down the slopes. And it was very easy to change these, turn them off and on while I'm up on the mountain chatting with my friends as well. I could get in there with my glove, push the button, boom, and it's off. Or I'm playing music, and the crazy thing, answering phone calls. Again, you have to find the button, push the button, and it's really difficult if you've got this helmet with your helmet on. It just works. It's fantastic. I was answering phone calls on the top of the mountain, but trying to limit that because at the end of the day, I was on holiday. So there we go. Snowboarding, it's fantastic. Now let's go into a few other areas of this. The lenses. You have a selection of different lenses, polarized, non-polarized, different colors, all sorts. You have different sizes of these available as well. So I think you have the Alto and you have another type as well, which are more rounded. Now I prefer definitely this sort of look. To me, it just suits my face a lot better. And I've gone for the small ones. You've got small and medium, they're small/medium, and they go medium to large. So yeah, small to medium just fits me perfectly. I'm wearing contact lenses right now, so I cannot see a thing. But yeah, so the pros are they fit me pretty well. And I guess if you have a really big head, you'll have to go for the large one as well. One of the cons, so I'm just going to come out with a con at the beginning. And the con is I'm actually wearing these as regular glasses, they are fantastic as regular glasses, might I say. But the problem is that they're so heavy, so thick right here, is that I wouldn't say it's causing me discomfort because I'm wearing these every day, but by the end of the day, I'm just feeling like I can feel the weight on the back of my ears. It just feels like it's never got to a point where it's uncomfy or rubbing or anything, but I do find myself quite often just kind of like just making sure they're on properly and making sure that they're lifted at the back so they're not aggravating that part of the ear. So that's the con, and that's because I'm wearing them all day, every day, as you would have seen in my very first review as well of the iPad. If you've not seen that yet, check it out. So let's just go into this. I wouldn't say that's a big con. I say that it's something that is trivial. Most people are not going to be wearing this all day long, every day. But if you want to, they do work great. So the other con is I had to go to an optician's and spend more than what the value of these were on lenses. So I bought prescription lenses for these. I bought polarized ones. I bought non-polarized ones that change with the light and day. So now daytime grey. If I go outside in the sun, these will go into sunglasses. So yeah, in England, lenses cost an absolute arm and a leg, literally, and I paid for those. And then I also bought a pair of regular polarized lenses for this as well, which means that if I wish to wear my sunglasses and my contact lenses, I can now just pop these lenses out and pop in the old ones and wear my contact lenses behind. So let's show you how easy it is to pop out the lenses. I mean, it really is super simple. Now, I've not done this in a while. I'm going to use my cloth, actually, to be safe. I just push there, like this, and it's out. Now, very important thing is I went to my opticians and I said that I want these making, and they were like, oh my God, we don't want to touch this. But they were like, these are crazy. And eventually I persuaded them to do it. What they said is that they've been made so that they can take regular prescriptions inside them. However, they are a little bit afraid of the plastic cracking or causing problems if you're doing it or over and over again. And they're not really made to specifications for glasses. They're not passing different grades and everything else, but they are capable of taking it. So my advice is, if you want to put your own lenses in, ask them just to make it so that they can click in and click out quite easily. Not too easily, but make it so that it's slightly looser than normal so that you are maybe not going to damage your glasses in the future. Let's pop them back in again. So from here, let's remember this. I've not done it for a while, so I'm putting the corner in first. That there, and there you go. I think it's in now. It's hard to tell. Yeah, there we go. That's now in. Perfect. Just check there, it just kind of clicks in, and yeah, there we go, 2 lenses back in again. It's as simple as that. So yeah, I found myself with skiing not wearing my contact lenses, just wearing these prescription lenses, the polarized ones. Did make a massive difference when I was snowboarding, but now I'm wearing these as everyday glasses, which has changed the game of these. It now opens and unlocks the door and allows me to use these all day, every day. The reason why I wanted to use these all day and every day is that I am working inside this studio right here. I'm always walking around to the back, I'm always answering phone calls, and I'm always looking for my AirPods. And the problem with my older AirPods is that they don't seem to connect very quickly. The Bluetooth just doesn't work as fast as I would like. The Bluetooth on these is incredible. I mean, literally it connects like that. So if these are turned off, you push the button and it's connected within less than a second and a half. You're connected, you're straight on and speaking to that person. The audio quality that the person hears is fantastic as well. I mean, it really, really works well. You have to maybe, though, go into the Bose app and just tweak the settings in there if you find that the volume is too low at the very beginning when you first get them. Then, on top of that, the microphone is, let's show you the microphone. The microphone is right here. And then in a minute, we're going to get into the speaker and the sound system. But yeah, I was just explaining to you, we've got a speaker here, same on this side. Then here we have something. Now, I don't think that's a speaker. I think that's something that takes in the sound from outside and tries to change it and filter it in some way. It's nothing too complicated, but it just feels like, or maybe it is playing sound outwards. I should know, but hey, I don't. Tell me if you do. But these are playing sounds like around your ear, and it kind of just creates this bubble of sound around your ears, and it just is phenomenal. But let's get on to the sound in a minute. In terms of the answering the phone calls, it works a treat. Sometimes I'm just walking around, I just want to push the button, there I go, I'm speaking to somebody. It works great if you want to shoot a video and you don't want to have AirPods in and look like a stupid idiot with AirPods while doing a video or blog. Guess what? They're all built into these. And the sound quality is phenomenal. So yeah, the volume is good. Of the people speaking, I can hear them, great. Let's get on to the sound quality as well. So the sound quality, I've got a little video here, so let's start playing the trailer. So this is me checking myself out. Not really. Let's go. Okay, so these are the glasses, and let's have a little listen to them. Now, we're not going to play any copyrighted songs, just going to play our intro song for YouTube, our channel. Let's hit play on the iPhone. Oh, here we go. We're in a party. Woo! So, this, I think you can hear it now, because they're not completely keeping the sound just to you. The sound is going around, there's no question about that, and you can't seem to get away from that. What I would say is, though, if you're on a bus or a train, or you're cycling and that kind of thing, or you're snowboarding, No problems whatsoever. Let's go to full blast. Okay, that's full blast right now. Bit too loud for me, slightly. And let's go down to what would be comfortable for me. That would be probably a normal volume right now. So, yeah, these are the Bose Alto. This is what they sound like. They sound phenomenal right now. But, yeah, back to the studio. Whoa, got to turn on the mic. Oh my God. I just want to say there that you can hear it in the background, and that is on full blast. It went down a bit. Now, the sound quality. Sound quality is amazing. I mean, it is very good considering that it's coming out of these little speakers around your ear. But the bass is really not good at all. In fact, there is practically zero bass, so don't expect that. And secondly, it is not a replacement for big headphones. Get yourself some good Bose headphones, noise cancelling, and the sound quality is 10 times better than these. However, for most of my day-to-day use, I'm listening to a bit of music here, or I'm watching a YouTube video, or I'm doing this kind of thing, blogs, I'm finding this is where this really shines through. And listening to music, and you're walking out on the street and you're being safe because you can see the traffic, you can still hear things going on, cycling, it's great for all those things. So you got to think, is this going to fit in with my lifestyle, what I'm doing, and also think, are they too thick for you? Are they too big for you? For me, I mean, this fashion is apparently in right now, but for some people it might not suit. Lastly, I was thinking about doing some little decals, like vinyl decals for the side. You could actually change them regularly and put cool little stickers on the sides of them, anything to brand them and that kind of thing. Last thing I will say is the charge and the battery life. So the charge is super simple. It comes with a special little USB and a click that just clicks in here. I find that every night I am putting them on to charge. When I first got them, I thought the battery life is really, really poor. Then I realised, well, they're not for listening to music all day, every day. They're for answering the phone here, listening to a blog post here, listening to this video over here. And then I remembered to turn them off. And the cool part about turning them off is literally all you do is just turn them over like that and they turn off. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but I've just turned them on here now. And it said there. And to turn it off, I just do that and you can see it flashing. They're turned off. It's as simple as that. And most of the time, I've been leaving them on all day and they are lasting me a full day, no problems. But if I was playing music all day, I don't think you're going to get quite the 10 hours that they are saying. But that being said, for my need and what I'm doing, it works great. If you're going out on a 4-hour bike ride, they're going to be working all that time, no problem. It's just if you want that longer time. And then if you've got prescription ones, you have to have backup glasses to swap over if you need to charge these up during the day. So that would be my only downside to it. Or if you're making phone calls all day long every day, again, they might not quite last the full day if you're just speaking all day long. But that being said, I am very impressed with these. You've got to think whether they're going to fit in with your lifestyle. They come with a funky little box like this right here. They then come with this box right here. So this is a really nice magnetic carry case. And then some instructions on the inside as well, and the charging and the cables and everything else. So I hope you found this review really useful. I can recommend these myself. For the way that I am using them, I would definitely recommend these and say, get yourself a pair. If you want to spend the extra money on the prescriptions, it's worth it. But, I mean, you know, I've in England probably paid £400-500 now just on these glasses alone. But the good thing is that if these one day break or whatever, I could buy a new pair, $200, it's not going to break the bank, and then I can just fit my lenses back into them again. So I could recommend these very much. If you've got a pair, let us know what you think. Please do click subscribe, click the like and alert button, and share this with all your friends, because we are a brand new channel and we need your help to get this channel off the ground. If there's any gadgets you would like to see reviewing over the next few weeks or months, just let me know and I will do my very best to get them reviewed. Hey, we're also going to do 2-minute short reviews of all the products that we review. So if you see a short 2-minute review, make sure you can then check out the longer review like this if you want to go into more detail. Thank you very much. I will see you in the future or next review. Have a great day. Bye bye.